Hello and welcome back to SkillMark Academy. Today we're going to chart your course in marketing by setting goals that actually drive action. Because let's be honest, a goal without a plan? That's just a wish. In marketing, we don't operate on wishes. We need concrete, actionable goals that guide our efforts and define what success really looks like. And to do that, we use a simple but incredibly effective framework called SMART. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It transforms vague aspirations into a clear plan of action. Let's take a common, poorly defined marketing goal. I want to get more followers on Instagram. Sounds familiar? Let's make it SMART. Specific. What exactly do you want? Who is involved? Why is it important? Instead of get more followers, we can say, increase our Instagram follower count for our sustainable coffee brand to attract our target persona, eco-conscious Priya. Measurable. How will you track progress? How will you know when you've reached your goal? Grow our follower count from 1,000 to 5,000. Achievable. Is it realistic? Can it actually happen with your resources, time, and market conditions? Based on our current growth rate and planned ad spend, growing by 4,000 followers in the next 6 months is ambitious but possible. Relevant. Does this goal align with broader business objectives? This is relevant because Instagram is a key channel where Priya discovers new brands, and a larger following will increase our brand awareness and credibility, leading to more subscriptions. Time-bound. When will this happen? Achieve this by the end of Q4. And just like that, our vague wish transforms into a powerful, SMART goal. To increase brand awareness among our target audience, we will grow our Instagram follower count from 1,000 to 5,000 by the end of Q4 by consistently posting educational content and running targeted ads. If a SMART goal is your destination, KPIs, or Key Performance Indicators, are the instruments on your dashboard: the speedometer, fuel gauge, GPS. They are the specific, quantifiable metrics that tell you if you're on the right path. Organize KPIs using the marketing funnel. Each stage of the customer journey has its own vital signs. Awareness. Get the brand in front of new people. Impressions, reach, website traffic, search engine rankings. Interest. Engage the audience. Click-through rate, time on page, social media engagement. Desire. Build connection and show solution. Landing page conversion rate, product page views, cart abandonment rate. Action. Convert to paying customers. Conversion rate, customer acquisition cost, ROAS, sales revenue. Loyalty. Turn customers into repeat buyers. Customer lifetime value, net promoter score, repeat purchase rate. Remember, vanity metrics like likes might feel good, but they don't always mean growth. Use the funnel to diagnose problems and optimize real results. You've defined strategy with STP, built your persona, set SMART goals, and tracked KPIs. Now, how do you actually get your message out? Enter the media mix. 3 categories: owned, paid, and earned media. Owned media, your home base. These are channels you control: your website, blog, social media pages, email newsletter. Analogy. Think of it as your home. You set the rules, and conversations happen here. Paid media, the accelerator. When you pay to reach a new audience, Google ads, Facebook ads, sponsored content, influencer campaigns. Analogy. Renting a billboard on a busy highway or a commercial during prime time, it accelerates growth. Earned media, the ultimate prize. Exposure earned organically through exceptional content, service, or product. Think reviews, mentions, shares. Analogy. It's like your happy customers shouting from the rooftops about how amazing you are. Most trusted and credible. These 3 work as a synergistic flywheel. Example, our sustainable coffee brand publishes a guide, Ultimate Guide to Sustainable Coffee Brewing, owned media. Paid ads promote it to our persona, Priya, paid media. She shares it, bloggers reference it, earned media. Result? a massive boost in traffic, credibility, and ROI. And with that, we wrap up the marketing foundation. Marketing isn't just advertising. It's about creating value and building relationships. In this module, we explored traditional, digital, and hybrid marketing. We discovered the 7 Ps, a strategic blueprint for every marketer. We used STP to identify the perfect customer. We followed the AIDA funnel to guide emotional customer journeys. We built personas, set SMART goals, tracked KPIs, and mastered the media mix. Marketing can seem complex, but now you have a solid foundation. These are the same tools used by professionals at Nike, Tata Motors, and Starbucks. Your journey begins with a single, simple action. Start listening. Talk to one customer. Interview one salesperson. Your entire strategy starts with understanding one person. Find your Priya. If you found this session valuable, don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video for more insights. See you in the next module of our marketing course, Branding and Communication.